from Tashanna Skincare Boutique. I wanted to do my first video on how to properly cleanse your skin and take care of your skin on a daily basis. So, if I had makeup on, I would begin by removing my makeup with Rhonda Allison's makeup remover. I would put like a pea size on a cotton round, and I would rub it in circular motions to help lift the makeup from my skin and my neck. Then I would use a cleanser, and I'm gonna use Rhonda Allison's Skin Brightening Cleanser, and I'm just gonna use a little bit. That much to wash my face. And it gets really sudsy, which is what I like. It lathers really well. And you don't even need that much, just a little bit. And you want to cleanse your neck as well. And I like to cleanse in circular motions, especially around my temples. That feels good. Around my chin, my nose, because that's where I get the most blackheads and whiteheads. And I got a little pimple that came up overnight. I usually get 1 or 2 big ones, especially around that time of the month. So I'm just gonna wipe my face clean with a nice warm towel. Feels so good. Just removing all the cleanser on my face, my neck. And then I'm gonna tone, and I'm gonna use Rhonda Allison's Purifying Lotion. 1 pump is all you need on your cotton round. And you're just gonna wipe it on your face. And up your neck. Okay, so I like to put eye cream around my eyes every morning. So next I'm going to do my eye cream. And I just put a little Q-tip on my ring finger. The ring finger has the most gentlest skin on the fingers. So I just rub my ring fingers together and I massage it in very gently. No pulling, no tugging, no stretching out the skin too much. Just right in the crow's feet area, right underneath for puffy, baggy eyes, dark circles, and right over the lids so that the lids will stay, so that the lids will stay nice and tight. And then I have a couple of things going on with my skin. So as you can see, I have this pimple here that came up overnight. And then I have a few like little bumps under the skin that I probably need to clear up with a micro or chemical peel or some kind of exfoliation. I'll do that next. I'm gonna use Rhonda Allison's blemish serum all over my face, and I'm not gonna apply that much, just like pea size. It's clear, so you may not be able to see. Oh yeah, just like that. And it spreads really good. I don't need much, and I can feel it real good in this little area. It's like tingling, and it absorbs really quickly. Then I also have some dark spots that I'm trying to get rid of, and dark spots are like the one thing that takes forever to go away. It seems like when you're using products and when you're getting professional treatments, it just takes a while to go away, unfortunately. And as you can see here too, I have some dark spots here and on my chin here. And I use, for the daytime, I use Rhonda Allison's Natural Mega Brightening Serum. Just the pea size. And then I'm going to use some moisturizer with SPF. It is winter now, so I'm not going to use a really high SPF, but I am going to use a sunscreen, a moisturizer with SPF, which is also a sunscreen. And this one is Aloe Matte Moisture Cream. And just one pump is all I need. My neck too. And then, since my lips are a little dry, I'm gonna just put on some ointment for my lips. I'm a very natural girl. I don't wear too much makeup. It irritates me. So that's it for a daily routine for your cleansing. It's probably like about 10 minutes long. So if you're interested at all, shoot me a comment, subscribe, Give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.